Welcome back to Cryptalization, your go-to channel for all things crypto-related. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting topics in the crypto world, NFTs. If you're new to the concept of NFTs or are curious about what they are and how they work, you're in the right place. What are NFTs? NFTs or non-fungible tokens are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Ethereum, where each unit is interchangeable, NFTs are one-of-a-kind digital assets that are unique and irreplaceable. How do NFTs work? The process of creating and selling NFTs is pretty straightforward. First, an artist or creator can upload their digital artwork or any other unique digital asset to a platform like OpenSea, which specializes in NFTs. Then, the creator can mint the digital asset into an NFT by assigning a unique identifier to it, which is then stored on a blockchain. The history of NFTs. While NFTs are a relatively new concept, they have been around for a few years. The first NFT project, CryptoPunks, was launched in 2017 and quickly gained a cult following. In the years that followed, more NFT projects were created, and NFTs began to gain mainstream attention in 2020 and 2021. Benefits of NFTs. One of the primary benefits of NFTs is that they allow artists and creators to monetize their work directly. They also provide a way for collectors to own and invest in unique digital assets. NFTs also offer a way for people to prove ownership of a digital asset, which can be especially useful in industries like gaming. How to create and sell NFTs. If you're an artist or creator looking to create and sell NFTs, there are several steps you can follow. First, you'll need to create a digital asset, like artwork, music, or even tweets. Then, you'll need to mint the digital asset into an NFT and list it on a platform like OpenSea. Once listed, buyers can bid on your NFT or purchase it outright. Investing in NFTs. If you're a collector looking to invest in NFTs, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, do your research and look for projects that have a solid track record and a strong community. You'll also want to consider factors like the rarity and uniqueness of the NFT and the reputation of the creator. My NFT artwork. As you all know, I'm a big fan of NFTs, and I've been creating and selling my artwork as NFTs for a while now. I've got some exciting pieces in my collection that I'd like to share with you all. You can find the link to my OpenSea collection in the description below. Conclusion. So, there you have it, a brief overview of NFTs, how they work, and how they can benefit creators and collectors alike. As the world of NFTs continues to evolve, I'll be sure to keep you all updated with the latest news and trends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my NFT artwork on OpenSea.